In 2023, an IIT Bombay graduate with a 22 lakh package cried in a Mumbai local train because he couldn't afford his mother's cancer treatment. That same year, a school dropout from Patna with zero English skills crossed 80 crore in annual revenue selling pickles on Instagram. Same India. Completely different outcomes. Why? The answer will destroy everything your school taught you about success. Here's the brutal data nobody wants to show you. A 2022 LinkedIn study found that 67% of IIT and IIM graduates never cross a net worth of 1 crore rupees ever. Meanwhile, India has over 1.4 lakh crorepathies who never finished college. Dhirubhai Ambani failed his SSC. Karsanbhai Patel, founder of Nirma, science teacher turned billionaire, disrupted HUL with no MBA, no investors, just 3,500 rupees and a bicycle. The problem isn't intelligence. The problem is a trap called credentialism. Smart people spend 22 years collecting degrees, then spend the next 40 years selling those degrees, hour by hour, to someone else's company. Every IAS officer, every doctor, every software engineer has one thing in common. They trade time for money. And here's the terrifying math. You only have 24 hours. Your income has a permanent ceiling the day you take a salary. Now contrast that with Radhakishan Damani, a man who failed in business multiple times, had no IIT tag, and sat quietly watching the stock market while everyone laughed. He built DMart. Today his net worth is 2.3 lakh crore rupees, more than the GDP of 40 countries. His secret? He never sold his time. He built systems that made money while he slept. Average intelligence, extraordinary asset thinking. Here's the psychological trap destroying smart Indians right now. It's called delayed gratification addiction. Schools reward you for waiting. Study 12 years, get a job. So smart people keep waiting. Waiting for the right time to start a business. Waiting to save enough. Waiting for stability. But average people? They act fast, fail cheap, and learn expensive lessons at age 22, not age 42. Speed of execution beats IQ every single time in the real world. And then there's the most dangerous advice in Indian history. Your parents' money wisdom. Beta, government job लो. Safe रहेगा. FD में रख दो. Risk mat लो. In 1990, a 1 lakh FD would give you 12% interest. Today? 6.5%. After 7% inflation, you're actually losing money every single year by being safe. Meanwhile, the average Indian mutual fund SIP of just 5,000 rupees monthly since 2010 would be worth 47 lakh today. Safety is the new risk. Meet Rajesh Shinde, auto-rickshaw driver from Pune. Class 8 dropout. In 2009, he bought one small room in Hadapsar for 3.2 lakh using borrowed money. Everyone said he was foolish. Today that room is worth 48 lakh, and he owns 12 such properties generating 2.1 lakh per month in rent, without working a single day. He doesn't understand balance sheets. He understands one thing: assets make money, jobs make bosses rich. His net worth? Over 6 crore. So what do you actually do? Step 1. Stop monetizing your degree. Start monetizing your knowledge. A CA who teaches GST filing on YouTube earns more than his entire firm. Step 2. Buy one asset before buying one luxury. No new phone until you own one SIP, one plot, one digital product. Step 3. Use AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and 11 Labs to build income streams with zero staff. In 2024, a class 12 girl from Jaipur made 18 lakhs selling AI-generated content. The tools exist. The question is whether you will use them. The system was designed to produce employees, not owners. Every mark sheet, every rank, every gold medal trained your brain to seek approval, avoid risk, and work for someone else's dream. The rickshawala who owns 12 flats never got that programming. That's his superpower. You now know the truth. The only question left is, what will you do with it? Subscribe and hit the bell icon right now. We drop life-changing money facts every single week that your school, your college, and your boss never wanted you to know.